Hey, what's happening YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with a video, and today going to be the high-end baseball rookie explosion box by Filmington. I got all 3 boxes this month, and this was the first one to come. Monday being a holiday, I should get the other 2, hopefully Tuesday. The football and then the original rookie explosion box. So I already took the peanuts out. Let's get right into this here. Got 4 packs, looking at 2011 Bowman Draft. Going fishing for trout. 2015 Bowman Jumbo, Devers and Albies. 19 Bowman, Franco, Rodriguez, Luciano, Marte, and Martinez. And then 2021 Bowman First Edition, with a slew of names to chase there. So, let's get right into it. Start off with the big boy here. I did manage to get last month's, the first high-end box, and got some nice cards out of that. Check that video out if you haven't. Okay, starting off with a Corey Guerin, rookie. Gerard Dyson. Chrome of Adam Wilk. Yeah, Colton Wong. First Bowman Chrome. Scott Woodward. Yeah, we got a Blake Snell first. And Tyler Alamo. Not too bad with the Wong and Snell. Decent player and pretty solid pitcher. All right, let's get into the 2015 Bowman Jumbo. Let me move this camera back just a hair. There we go. Okay. Got Matt Garza. Gary Brown, rookie. Hosmer. Zanino. Trumbo. Josh Harrison. Zach Wheeler. J.J. Hardy. Aramis Ramirez. Getting into our chromes. Matt Andriese, first Bowman. Jake Bowers. Jarlin Garcia. Nick Gordon. Kerry Mella. Hunter Harvey. Kevin Plawecki. Rob Kaminsky. Tuki Toussaint first. Edmundo Sosa. Robert Stevenson. Top 100, Clint Frazier. Now a Chicago Cub. Oh, shoot. Okay. World Series MVP. Jorge Soler, rookie auto. Number 94/150. All right. All right. We'll set him in the back for a second. Jarlin Garcia. Trey Ball. Greg Bird. Robert Stevenson Chrome. Matt Whistler. Bryce Harper. Jan Gomes. Justin Turner. Kyle Seager. And Josh Reddick. All right, so that was a pretty fun pack. Pull an autograph of rookie of a World Series MVP. All right, 2019 Bowman. Okay, you got a Matt Carpenter, Maikel Franco, Cody Bellinger, Miggy, Matt Manning Chrome, Top 100 Tristan McKenzie, DJ Peters, Kyrie Ruiz, Forrest Whitley, and Peter Lambert. All right, final pack. First time opening this one, 2021 Bowman First Edition. Okay, got Aaron Sabato, Andrew Painter, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Brandon Boissier, Luis Matos, Joe Rock, Gunnar Henderson, Garrett Mitchell, Andy Rodriguez, and finish it off with the Blaze Jordan. Just a slight, kind of sucks, slight ding in that corner. Both corners actually. Both bottom corners. Not numbered. Nice looking card though. A quick recap, we got the Blaze. Miggy will be for my little PC, same with Bryce. Got a Blake Snell, first Bowman. Colton Wong, first Bowman Chrome. Not huge, but he's a decent player. And then the big one, the Jorge Soler rookie auto, numbered 94 out of 150. I will get this sleeved up, so don't sweat it. That's it for this one, guys. Thank you to Filmington for putting this together. And next month will be the this will be going as a subscription, not just a one-time purchase. So I will definitely be trying to get a subscription to it. So it's a lot of fun. So we'll see what happens. I should be getting the, hopefully I'll get the football and the regular Rookie Explosion box on Tuesday. So I'll post the videos when I get them. I'll have some more mail coming in eventually, and we'll see. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.